Sahira here. I am here today to teach you a really fun and exciting shimmy drill. So one of the secrets to having a gorgeous shimmy is to be able to do it no matter where the weight lies in your feet. This is especially important when we start talking about layering shimmies with other movements, because as you know, as you do other movements in belly dance, the weight in your feet is going to shift around. So you cannot be tied to one foot position to create a really good shimmy. So today, in an effort to help us have bigger, more beautiful, more incredible shimmies that can be easily layered onto other movements, I'm going to take you through a shimmy drill that works on weighted and unweighted shimmies on both sides. So our practice is going to be this. We're going to be playing with our regular knee-based shimmy, bicycle shimmy, Egyptian shimmy. There are 1,000,001 names for this shimmy, and I do have a tutorial on this shimmy if you are not familiar with it, because this is the one we're going to be using. Totally based in the knees. The knees are coming all the way back to straight, and they are bending and straightening in opposition. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Today I want you to focus on making these shimmies big and loose and juicy and relaxed. I want you, in our drill, we're going to do these shimmies straight forward in the center, which is probably the way you're most comfortable doing it. This is the way we typically learn how to do it first. Then we're going to look at our right foot. We're going to stand here with our weight pretty much 95% on our right foot. Our left foot is going to be posed. When I am doing weighted shimmies on my right side, I'm going to relax this left foot so that like the top of my foot is facing the mirror. So I'm basically resting my foot on the big toe only. And I'm going to work on single-legged shimmies on the right side. Then I'm going to switch to shimmying on my unweighted leg. To shimmy on my unweighted leg, I'm going to change my posture just a little bit and push all my toes into the floor because I need a little bit of a place to drive that shimmy from, because I'm going to be pushing now with my back foot, which is mostly unweighted, but it's going to take a little bit of weight in order to create the unweighted shimmy on the left side. So you'll see me change my footwork slightly when we do the unweighted shimmy. Then we're going to maintain this stance, but use both legs to drive our shimmy, so it should be nice and big and juicy when we get to that. And then we'll come back to center, and then we'll repeat the whole idea on the left. So on the left, we'll be standing 95% of our weight on the left. We'll do our weighted shimmy with our very pretty right foot. Weight is resting there on the toe. The top of your foot is facing towards the mirror, and you're driving just like you were driving when you were standing center with the knee of the left leg to create that standing shimmy, right? And then we're going to go to our unweighted side. So I'm going to put my foot into the ground and push with the knee of my unweighted side to create the jiggle on the right to create my right-sided unweighted shimmy. Then I'm going to go to both, where I'm going to use both legs fairly evenly, even though I'm in this position. And after we do that, we'll come back to center to create our home base, knee-based, or bicycle shimmy, yeah? Let's go ahead and do our drill. I'm going to put on some music. Today we are working with some amazing music from the incredible Lauren Cecchio out of Austin, Texas. This is from her album, Rhythms of the Sphere. I entirely recommend it. It's fantastic for drilling and for practicing your belly dance. All right, so just home base. Get that shimmy going. Relax. You can take your shimmy to tempo, 1 yanda, 2 yanda, 1 yanda, 2 yanda, dugga, 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 or take it slower if you would like. Just relax and breathe. Make sure those knees are coming to straight, and you're getting lots of wiggle. It's not just the hips, everything's gonna kind of go, yeah? All right, so I'm gonna mirror you. So now you're gonna stand on your right foot. I want you to do this right side only. So on the weighted leg, or this is your left. Do it on your left, yeah? Good, now we're gonna switch to the unweighted side, which is your right. So I'm pushing into that floor a little bit, and I'm using the knee in the back. Let's go again at the front. So here's my weighted side, my left leg or your left leg. And now to the unweighted. And now both. This should be really big and juicy. And back to center. All right, now we're going to other side, we're gonna stand on your right. So your right side is weighted. Trying to keep that knee very flexible, bringing it back to straight. And now the back, the unweighted side, pushing a little bit into the ground. Back to the front.